Welcome to the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, where rude mechanicals do magic. Hello, I'm Bronze Age, Director of the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, and welcome to another episode of Chair Hospital. And this chair's problem is right here, where this ring in the base has come apart. The critical part of any repair is figuring out first why it broke. Now in this case, we got this lap joint, which was put together with a little bit of glue. I can see that here. But the real problem is it was held in place with nails. And they have rusted, lost all their holding power, and then that left this screw here, which holds it to the leg, creating way too much stress, and the whole thing just split apart. Nylon rope makes a very versatile clamp in these situations because you can hook it around opposite chair legs with a short board. You can draw them down directly towards each other. The only thing is you got to be careful about this kind of setup. Have it planned ahead of time how you're going to keep this piece in place, or you'll end up reenacting your favorite Roadrunner cartoon. Before any glue up, I like to put down wax paper any place the glue might drip. This is especially important on furniture, because it's so much easier just to take the wax paper and throw it in the trash can than trying to get glue off of a finished surface. Now the best thing for clamping something round like this is hose clamps. That's what they're made for. I'm going to give this thing as liberal of a dose of glue as I can, knowing that no matter how well I clamp this, I'm going to have pretty good gaps in here. So this glue is not really a gap filling glue, but I want the best contact I can get wherever I actually do have contact. And that will sit till in the morning. And then we'll clean it up and attach the leg back to it again. What I'm using is a machine screw because I want to keep the stress out on the outside and not depend on wood screw threads for holding this thing together. I want to do some cosmetic work on this before I do the final assembly. And I've got this quick wood from JB Weld. Never used it before. Somebody gave it to me, so I didn't buy it. But the instructions say to cut off a piece of this and mix it up in your hands, just like the regular two-part epoxies that they sell. But it also says on here that it's an irritant. So I guess I'm just doing this at my own risk. The real trick to any kind of two-part compound repair material is to do your rough trimming in that little window between when it's too gooey to fool with and it's so hard you can't cut it. So whether you're using regular Bondo or auto body filler and that kind of stuff, what you want to do is get rid of all the excess material while it's still soft enough to easily trim away. I'm not actually reusing the old screw hole. I drilled it out, put a dowel down in it, and re-drilled it. But I am going to use the old witness marks so I can get it back where it used to be. This is a coated deck screw, which I'm hoping will be a little stronger than the regular old nails they had it held with before. And the last touch is a little button which matches the originals. Well, this chair is ready to go back to its owner, probably a little bit stronger than when it was brand new. And I appreciate you sticking through the video this far. I'm Bronze Age for the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage. I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you didn't enjoy it, click the thumbs down button twice. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.